Tim with MajorGeeks.com, and today we're going to take a look at Belarc Advisor. This program will tell you everything about your computer. You install it. There is no spyware, third-party programs, pubs. Just install it. When you're done, you'll have this desktop icon. Double-click it. It'll warn you that you should start with administrative privileges, giving you the option to not show the message again, which is the easiest way to do it here. Then click Continue. It will update the profile of your computer, scan the network, everything else. It takes, depending on your computer, a few minutes. And then it's going to open in a web page. Now, on the first time that it does it, it's going to offer to open it in Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Firefox if you have it, and set it as a default. So in this case, I have already told it to go ahead and open it in Google Chrome. So when it's finished scanning my system and building a profile of everything on my computer, it will automatically open it up in Google Chrome. Now, Belarc has been around as long as I can remember. We could be going back 20 years. It's an industry standard. Mention the name to any tech and he knows what it is. Solid, reliable, constantly updated, consistently. How's that? Consistently updated more than constantly, and accurate. Now, in my case, as always, I'm running in VMware virtual machine, so sometimes my stuff will look a little bit different because VM works differently. But as you can see here, you can see that your virus protection is up to date, where your security updates are, the computer name, log on. But more importantly, it'll tell you here's your operating system, here's my processor, motherboard, the drives, memory modules installed, pretty much all the information you need. So if you were looking for a driver, you need to know something about your computer, this would do it. Next up, somebody might have asked you to get you this information for them who is diagnosing your computer remotely on a forum, etc. To do that, you can actually come over, depending on your browser now, in Google Chrome, come over here, go to the More Tools. Again, we're over here in the settings, More Tools, and save page as. By doing that, you can say, all right, by default I'll put it in downloads, and we're going to save it. So now you can send that HTML page to somebody, but keep in mind when it saves it, it actually keeps a folder here with the pretty little graphics that you may not notice as much here, like these, until it comes time. So it's going to look a little uglier without this folder. Just to show you, if you send somebody just that HTML page, I did that again. I keep deleting both of them instead of one, so let me bring it back. That's the HTML document. Restore that. So now that that folder is gone, by double clicking it, as you can see, you still have the same information, but you'll have a bunch of little images missing, so it doesn't quite look as neat, but the information is there. So you could actually take this HTML page and send it to somebody. They can just open the HTML page and look through and see where you're at. Your Adobe Flash Player updates, vulnerabilities, covers a lot of stuff. And then just so that you can know how that works, over here you can come over and break down software licenses, which I won't go to because my Windows key is sitting there. Your software versions and your usage, any updates that you're missing. Again, running VMware, I'm always missing something. Your USB storage use, and you can just break down any category you want depending on what you want, your networking map, your installed hotfixes, or pretty much all that does is just drop you from level to level on this page. Everything's on one page right there, so you can, if you see something that blows your skirt up, hey, click it. Otherwise, you can simply just scroll down and use it. Once again, completely free. And I think if you ask any tech, it's considered the industry standard for system information utilities. Can't beat it. I will put the link to download it in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.